Hi everyone, I am Dr. Satya Suryan, a veterinarian and an animal nutritionist. This is your YouTube channel Anything About Animals. This channel is meant to educate people and farmers with the most recent and scientific information about farm animals and also pet animals in a very simplified format. Because we believe better action comes from better understanding. Firstly, I need to thank every person who has supported us on our very first video. More than 100 people has reached out to us after we uploaded our first video. Please do support the same for our upcoming videos so that we can reach the scientific farming techniques to all the farmers. In my previous video, I have talked about feed formulation and also many ingredients involved in the feed formulation. And I have also mentioned maize as a very important energy source. What if that maize is not available for preparing the feed? In this video, we're gonna see what are all the different ingredients we can use instead of maize. Without making any delay, let's see what are all the different ingredients we can use instead of maize when its rate is high or not available. Come, let's get into the video.
Are you a poultry producer or an animal rearer? Then at least once or twice in a year you should have faced difficulty in feed ingredient availability, especially maize. Yeah, more than 60 to 65% of any animal feed consists of maize, and because of which the maize has high demand, and also the availability and the rate of the maize is too fluctuating, because of which we need to be more aware of different ingredients which can be used instead of maize. Firstly, we will see why maize is so popular among the poultry producers. Maize has high energy, that is, they have energy of 3350 to 3450 kilocalories per kg, because of which the birds get more energy from the maize, because of which the birds will grow faster and heavier. And also, the maize has high keratin content, which provides yellow color to the egg yolk and also yellow color to the bird's skin, which is an indicator of healthy chicken, and most of the chick buyers desire this character. Because of the high antioxidant property of the maize, the stress of the bird is reduced to a greater extent. Maize is also highly palatable, which means the birds like to eat more of maize, because of which the birds will grow faster and heavier. Maize has high digestibility, which means most of the feed given to the bird is used to gain weight and very little is being wasted as litter. Because of all these benefits and high yield per hectare and also the high availability has made the maize to be more popular among the poultry producers. Even with all these benefits, in circumstances like rain, flood in agriculture land, in case of high demand and less supply, and even in situations like the maize crop get diseased, and also in the situation like lockdown where supply chain is very badly affected, the availability of the maize is very badly affected, and this is the situation we need to be more aware of different ingredients which can be used instead of maize. In this video, we will be seeing the different feed ingredients which can be used instead of maize when maize rate is high or not available. I am Dr. Satya Suryan. Come, let's explore the different ingredients. First, the maize can be replaced through bajra, also called as pearl millet, which has high energy content of 2800 to 2900 kilocalorie per kg. What is this energy and why is it so important in poultry feed formulation, that we will see in a different video. Bajra has high lysine and methionine content, which is the essential amino acid which is very essential for the birds to build their muscle mass. With all these benefits, the bajra can replace the maize by 30% to 60%. The another millet which can be used instead of maize is ragi, also called as finger millet. This finger millet can replace the maize by 30% to 60%. Rice, especially broken rice, which is a rejected lot from humans due to the less demand in the humans. The rice can be used in feed at 10% in broilers to 20% in layers. And also, the rice milling byproduct like rice husk, rice bran, rice polish can also be used in place of maize, whereas the rice bran is extracted from this particular portion of the rice grain. Rice bran and rice polish both look similar, but the energy content of each is different, whereas good quality rice bran has high energy content when compared to de-oiled rice bran, whereas rice polish has more energy when compared to these two ingredients. The added advantage of using rice milling byproducts in feed is they are rich in vitamin E, trace minerals and also the B complex vitamins. The disadvantage is they have less palatability and also the less digestibility. The rice milling byproducts can be used in feed from 10% in broilers to 20% in layers. This will be depending on the enzymes used. What is these enzymes and why it should be used in a poultry diet, and what are all the different enzymes to be used for different ingredients, that we will see in a different video. Like rice, wheat and wheat milling byproducts can also be used in place of maize. Wheat, which has high energy content like maize, has a major constraint of non-starch polysaccharide, which is the major cause of sticky droppings. This non-starch polysaccharide in the intestinal level absorbs lot of water to create sticky droppings, because of which enzyme should be added in the wheat diet without fail. Wheat can be added in the feed at 20% in the chick diet to 30% in the grower diet. Wheat bran can also be used in a poultry diet, but the major constraint is they are less palatable, they are less digestible and has more of non-starch polysaccharide. Because of all this constraint, the wheat bran can be added in a poultry feed up to 5%. Barley is one another ingredient which has more of non-starch polysaccharide, especially D-glucans, which is the major cause of sticky droppings. Because of this, it can be used in feed up to 20% to 30% in layers. Barley should not be added in a chick diet, as chicks are more sensitive to barley. Sorghum can replace the maize to 70% and can be added in a feed from 40 to 45%. Preference should be given to white jowar when compared to brown jowar, because white jowar has less tannin content when compared to brown jowar. Tannin is an anti-nutritional factor which reduces the digestibility of the bird and also causes illness in the bird. Oils like palm oil, groundnut oil, rapeseed oil, linseed oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil can also be helpful in replacing maize, because all these oils have 3 times greater energy when compared to maize. That is, oil have 9000 kilocalories per kg, whereas maize has 3300 kilocalories per kg. The additional benefit of using oil is they are highly palatable. Using oil in the feed also reduces the dustiness of the feed. Because of the free fatty acid content in the oil, it is more prone for rancidity, due to which oil can be added to the feed only up to 5%. Molasses, a sugarcane industry waste, can replace the maize by 5% with an additional benefit of binding ability. It is a very desired character for pellet making, because of which molasses can be used in feed from 2 to 3% with both benefits of replacing maize and also having a good pellet.
If you are really interested in getting these kind of information, then please do subscribe to the channel Anything About Animals and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when we are posting a new video every week. And if you have any doubt about rearing any animal or a pet, then please do ask that doubt in the comment section so that we will answer that doubt in our next video. Literally, you can ask anything about animals. Until we post our next video, you can be connected to me through WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram. And remember, if you want to do better, you need to know better. To know better, please be connected to #anythingabout animals in all the social media. Until then, good luck and bye everyone.